how to manage your Facebook page settings. So as you can see, here's my page right here, and it's actually really empty. So what you can do is you can click on three dots right here, and then you can edit out any details that you have right here. You can add hours, address, phone number, and a lot more. You can edit your about info. You can add action button and the lot. You can click on the three lines right here and click on this gear icon. And then this will essentially open in here your page settings. You can change your content preferences, audience, payments, and a lot more. So for example, let's head over and then use in here our settings. So for example, you can change dark mode and you can also add people onto your actual profile. Click on the three dots and then from here just head over and then you can also make your page meta verified in turn for that. So that's how you manage your Facebook page settings. Hope we helped.